Let's talk about a CAN bus. A CAN bus is a network mode in which different ECUs in cars communicate. For example, the airbag module, the transmission module, the powertrain module, and so on. These different electronic control units communicate with the central ECU, and the mode in which these modules communicate is what we call the CAN bus system. A CAN is controller area network, and the bus are the physical wires used in this system. These wires used are usually two twisted wires. They are twisted to reduce or to avoid electromagnetic interference. These two wires are usually, one is called CAN high and CAN low, and they are usually at a voltage of 2.5 volts. So the way these two wires transmit data is called differential voltage signaling. CAN high fluctuates from 2.5 to 3.5 volts, while CAN low fluctuates from 2.5 to 1.5 volts. And this fluctuation is read by the computer in binary system, and information is transferred to the computer.